Namaskar friends, welcome back to Mohanjanics. I hope all of you are safe and healthy and your study is also going well. These kind of conceptual question can be asked in your exam. These can be feel like very difficult question, but these are not difficult question if you know one formula or one of the property of unit impulse signal. So up to now we have already learned about 7 properties of unit impulse signal. In this lecture I will give you the 8th property, or you can say one formula, so that you can solve these kind of questions. So without any delay पढ़ाई शुरू करते हैं. So our formula, or you can say the 8th property is, if integration from minus infinity to plus infinity xt t to the power n dt to the power n. What is meaning of this? This is nth differentiation. Okay, we call it as nth differentiation in mathematical terms. So if any mathematical equation is like this, xt nth differentiation of del t minus t1 dt, then it will be minus 1 to the power n. This n comes from nth differentiation, and again nth differentiation of xt, this xt, and at last we have to put t is equal to t1. Students, obviously we can say that these equations or these formula cannot be mugged up. That's why we have to practice these kind of questions. So I will solve one question and I will urge you to all that solve as many as questions so that these formula can be familiar with you. So let's start to solve this question. Our question was to find integration from minus infinity to plus infinity t square plus 3t t of dt of del t minus 1. Here only single differentiation is there. So we have to compare it with our 8th property, which was like this. So we have to compare this left hand side of the formula to our question. If we compare both, then what we get? xt will be equal to t square plus 3t. And what is n? N is equal to 1 in our question. So suppose if our question integration is I, then this is I, then I will be equal to, see, right hand side of the formula, it is minus 1 to the power n, and n is 1. That's why I am writing here 1 only, and d by dt to the power 1. So I am not writing anything as it is 1. Then x of t. What is x of t? T square plus 3t. And at last what we have to put? We have to put t is equal to t1. And what is t1 in this case? T1 in this case is 1. Okay. So I am writing it here as 1. And what it will become? Minus 1 to the power 1 is minus differentiation of t square plus 3t will be 2t plus 3, and at last we have to put t is equal to 1. If I put t is equal to 1, it will become minus 2 into 1 plus 3. That will be equal to minus 5. This will be our answer. फिलहाल इस लेक्चर में इतना ही. उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप लोगों को ये लेक्चर अच्छी तरह से समझ में आया. अगर हाँ, तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें, अपने दोस्तों में ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें. अपने कोई भी फीडबैक हो, सजेशंस हो या फिर कोई क्वेरी हो तो उसे कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखना ना भूलें. और मेरे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम बेसिक सिग्नल का नेक्स्ट सिग्नल यूनिट स्टेप सिग्नल पढ़ेंगे. वीडियो को अंत तक देखने के लिए धन्यवाद दोस्तों. जय हिंद.